Today I'm going to be showing you a really cool and super simple trick to add a video as the wallpaper on your lock screen of your iPhone. Let's jump in. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to the App Store, open that up, and what we're doing is we're looking for the app called VideoToLive. It's all one word, so we can search for that. And there it is right there. You can click on Get, and we'll open it up. And as you see, there's a bunch of different options here, but we want to go Video to Live Photo up at the top. And then it's going to take you to a screen like this that is showing you all the photos that it has access to. And you click on the one that you want here. So we'll just pick this one. And then you click Next. And it's giving you some guidelines here to understand how to do this. So you click Next, and get started. So we can preview this back. We can see what that looks like. We can also just slide this over so that we get the best part of what we want here. And so I just have a nice easy pan. This could be any video that you want. Once you have that set, you can click on Make up in the top right-hand corner. And we want this to be a live photo. So click on that. And it's just taking a moment to create that. It says complete. Live photo has been created and saved to your album. You click OK and then done. And that's what we need from this so far. Now, we just want to close out of that. And we want to go to our settings. So we'll just go to settings. Now we want to scroll down to wallpaper and click add new wallpaper. And we just want to go up here at the top and say select photo. And once you select the photo that you just created, you can see now that it is making that moving photo. And we'll just click on add. You can set it as the wallpaper pair, but just keep in mind that only the live video element of that will play on the lock screen, not on the background of your home page. But then you can go in here and change a different home screen if you want. And since I can't screen record my lock screen, I'll show you what this looks like when you lock your phone. And just like that, you now have a lock screen with a video image on your phone. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.